I am back with another video, a little bit of a different one. I did a couple hours of work this afternoon, made 40 bucks. Wasn't flex. There was nothing on Spark worth taking. Nothing on Instacart worth taking. I took a couple DoorDash orders and I did an Uber Eats curbside picking up at Walmart. So indirectly it was Walmart, but it wasn't through Spark, it was through Uber Eats. So yeah, I made me about 40 bucks. Spent 15 of it on a pair of breathable mesh-like athletic shoes. My other shoes, the sole literally detached from the shoe. Yeah. I spent $20 on that pair of shoes about 6 years ago. And it's finally going to the shoe graveyard. So I got these new ones. Just got them today. I'll test them out at Kennywood. Oh, I just spilled the beans, didn't I? Yes, I'm heading to Kennywood. Want to get some footage while I'm there. See if I can sneak my camera, my GoPro here, on one of the rides. Kind of have this underneath my shirt, you know. My mount. And bring it out. Especially on the Thunderbird. We'll see if I can get away with that. Anyhow, I'm heading to Kennywood.
Coffee in the cup and the sunrise glow. Pointed that Subaru where the good times go. Windows rolled down with my favorite song. Counting down the miles, singing all along. Packing up a cooler, camera by my side. Pennsylvania summer and a beautiful ride. Steel tracks calling from across the river blue. Kennywood, here I come, got a date with you. No deliveries today, no hustle, no race. Just a little freedom, putting a smile on my face. I'm riding the jackrabbit, hands up high. Thunderbolt racing through the summer sky. Old mill memories floating slow and sweet. Hear that carousel playing down the street. Laugh a little louder, let the whole world see. Grandma Dasher's taking back the day for me. From the first front gate to the last sunset glow. Kennywood's where this happy heart goes. French fries in a basket, lemonade on ice. Sometimes life's simple and that's paradise. Watching families laughing, hear the children cheer. Makes you feel like every summer's still right here. One more coaster, one more turn around. One more memory made in this hometown. Don't need fancy plans, don't need somewhere new. Sometimes happiness is waiting close to you. Leave the worries parked outside the gate. Bills and schedules, they can all just wait. Today belongs to sunshine, songs, and friends. Wishing days like these would never end. I'm riding the jackrabbit, hands up high. Thunderbolt racing through the summer sky. Old mill memories drifting through my mind. Leaving all my worries way behind. Every last a postcard I can keep forever. Little moments really are the treasure. Grandma Dasher smiling as the evening glows. Kennywood's where this happy heart goes. Yeah. Kennywood's where this happy heart goes. See you next summer down those Midway roads.
new ride. Please leave them with one rider or place them in the locker. We hope you have a great day, and here's to many more Kennywood memories.
Thank you, sir. Awesome. Thank you.
Underboot.
Hey, parking this way. It's in parking this way.
There is the old mill. Bats are supposed to come out. It's been years since I've been on this ride. I'm not going to record every ride. But some of the interesting ones, of course. There is the Jackrabbit, another one of the old wooden coasters. Should I go on that? Stiller Country. The Stiller's roller coaster. Those are the paddle boats. We could get in one and paddle all around this pond. My friend Billy would like that. He would ace this. I'm debating. Number one on my agenda here is a funnel cake.
Is they overestimating you?
I don't think I'm going to get much more riding because they're closing the park in a half an hour due to the air quality control issue from the wildfires from Canada that Pennsylvania issued. So for the safety of their guests and their staff, they're closing the park at 6:30. That's bullshit. I made that trip all the way down here. Thank God I have a season pass. Beer garden. Interesting. If I was spending the whole day here, I'd probably go ahead and have a beer. A lot of vendors are closed. I really wanted to go on the Thunderbolt, but I don't think there's time. Next time. I'll film the next time I come too. I don't even know that the merry-go-round is running. Another favorite ride, the kangaroo.
I'm definitely going to try to negotiate.
The burger joint.
I'm down here.
Okay, I could definitely feel something different about the air. I understand the air quality control. It is very hazy. So from what I understand, when smoke from wildfires, they go high up in the atmosphere and they could travel for thousands of miles in fact. So Pennsylvania has issued that air quality control. I mean, just looking around, you could see it. It's just a shame that Kennywood had to close early. But I got a ticket. You know, I went in with my season pass, plus they gave me a ticket on the way out. So I'm gonna see if one of the kids want to go with me one day. Anyhow, that's it for now. Short video, more or less. I'll have to watch and see what the footage looks like on my ride on the Jackrabbit. I don't know how good it is, or if you're just seeing sky, because the camera kept falling against my chest. Not necessarily looking forward all the time. I really, I wanted to get the Thunderbolt. I wanted to get footage of riding the Thunderbolt. The Jackrabbit's cool. I should have went straight to the Thunderbolt today. Oh well. Next time I come, I will do another video. I'll do some more footage. And even if I only come for an hour or so, we're going to ride the Thunderbolt. Until next time, love you all, and I'll see you later.